Hi guys.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Right now I'm with my little sister Mara. Mwah. Today we are going to be making slime, and I'm going to tell Mara all of the ingredients for slime and how to make it. What I'm going to do first of all is I'm going to put up her hair. Can I put up your hair?
Sissy, can you don't do it hard?
Yeah, I won't do it hard. We're gonna make slime.
Okay.
So, don't take it out. So her hair's up. We have our bowl here, and guys, in my recent video, I made pink slime, which I gave to you, right? So we are going to make slime with her. Mom, first, what you are going to do? Okay, not yet. We aren't stirring yet. So let's put this down. Okay, pour all of the glue into the bowl. Good job. Wait, there's still more.
No, Sissy, can I do this?
Okay.
Do it.
Okay, there. Okay, so we have our glue.
So I can stir it?
You can stir it, yes. Mara's going to stir that. Okay, now stop stirring. Sissy's gonna do this part, okay?
Okay, so here. Pour in.
Got our contact solution. Sissy's gonna pour it in and you can dump it.
Okay.
Not yet. Not yet, not yet, not yet, Mara. Okay, now pour it carefully into the bowl.
Can I stir now?
Yep, stir it. Okay, so after you add your glue and your contact solution, you will not have slime yet. Because what you need is baking soda. First of all, Mara, you keep mixing, and I'm going to go, don't touch this, okay? I'm going to go fill this up with warm water. I'll be right back, okay?
Okay.
You can talk to them, okay?
Okay. Hi, today we are practicing. So we are, so I'm stirring and I'm waiting for my sister because my sister is Elena. Because I'm stirring right now when my sister comes back. So I'm stirring right now. I'm waiting for my sister because she's my sister.
And I'm here. So what you need is you need a cup, a bowl, whatever, and fill it up with warm water. And then,
So I can stir. Can I when I pour that in, so can I pour in?
maybe, say,
And you will have baking soda.
so you're going to add baking soda next. What you need a teaspoon of baking soda. Pour that in to your warm cup of water. Not yet. Sissy's, you can mix that one, okay?
Can I do it with my knees?
Mara's gonna get on her knees. And then I'm going to stir the baking soda with warm water until the baking soda dissolves.
Look, you spilled on my hand.
Oh, sorry.
That'll dry. That'll dry off.
And this is my first video with Mara. I hope she's in a lot of my videos.
And my sister is Elena because she's my best sister because in the whole life.
In the whole life. And I'm her only sister. And then we have Tai Tai.
Yeah, because Tata his friend's house. So today I'm stirring and she's stirring the cup with water
And baking soda.
and baking soda. So let's get started.
Okay, guys, so, Mara, you can
This
stop
is-
mixing. Now that
We got started.
yeah, we did get started.
Yeah.
Mwah. So, the water and the baking soda, the warm water, the baking soda has dissolved. So, I'm going to add a little bit of this. Okay, Mara?
Okay.
Now stir. Here, can I stir now? Because I want to get a good consistency of the slime. Not fast, not fast. Here, let Sissy stir. Let Sissy stir. And our slime is forming. Oh,
Can I do it?
Mara, you can, here, see that box right there? The pink box? You can pick what color you want. The pink box. And the,
Okay.
right there. Yeah, pick what color you want. So I'm going to stir a little more and then I'm going to start kneading.
I'm to pick green.
That's what, pink.
I'm to pick pink.
We've already done a pink slime. Okay, guys,
I want to be red.
we don't have red.
I want
There's
to
orange.
pick-
There's orange, there's green, there's purple.
I want purple.
Okay.
Where's orange?
What?
Where's
It's a little
orange?
sticky.
Where's, I want to pick orange.
Orange, you want orange? Okay, guys. So tell them, so we're making orange slime.
We're making orange slime.
So our slime is done. It just needs to be kneaded. See, it just needs to be kneaded.
And plus you need kneaded. So I have this orange thing in my hand.
She has the orange thing, which, see, it's food coloring. No, stop, Mara, stop.
Sissy,
Okay, we'll wash it after. I'm sorry. I got
Sissy.
something in here. What? No! We don't put it in there. We put it in the slime. It's good. It's done.
Can I pour it now?
Not yet.
No, I can pour
Sorry.
it. Can I pour it now?
No, because do you want to feel it?
I
Feel it. pull up your-
Squishy.
Squishy. It's really good.
Squishy.
Good job. Oh, I'm pretty sure that's what I thought would happen. Okay, the slime is off your hands. So let Sissy add this because I don't want. I've only used my pink gel food coloring for her because that. Oh, seriously? Well, no, that's judgy.
This is fish.
It's a fish. Let's get all of the slime in one big bottle. And we'll add our orange food coloring. Okay, so Sissy's gonna add a little bit right there. And then Sissy's gonna do the kneading for this, okay? Because
Why do you put that on your hand?
what? Okay. Just set that
Can
to the
I
side.
stir it?
We don't need no more stirring. And guys, as you know, I said this in my last video. Gel food coloring is always the best to use because it does not stain your hands. If it gets on your hands, it does not stain. And I feel like it's just easier to work with.
Today.
Okay, Mark, you can start kneading. Start
Can I
playing with it.
stir?
No, we
Can I
don't need to
stir?
stir. Okay, hold on. Don't knead yet. I just added a little more.
Can I stir now?
Okay, guys, about
Can I stir now?
I got slime in her hair. We'll watch it after, okay? Mom?
now.
Hold on, we still have a orange spot somewhere in here. Do you like making slime? Do you want to make it with me more often?
Yeah. Faster now. Faster
Hold on, I need to get the orange spots around. Okay, now you can play with it and stir while I put stuff away. You can talk to them, okay?
Hi. Today we are practicing today. Later we are we are making slime.
Do you want to add glitter to it, Mar?
Squishy.
Mar, we have glitter.
Oh, glitter.
Do you want to add a glitter? What color? Do you want to add a green? Or do you want to add orange? Or there's pink, purple, orange, yellow, green, and blue.
Pink.
Pink? Let's add... Do you want to add it? Let's add orange. It'll make it look right.
No, I want to put it on pink.
You want to add pink? Okay, let Sissy add it, though.
So I can stir.
What?
And I can stir.
Can. Okay. We have to do this quick, okay, Mara?
Sissy, can I pour?
Did you fart?
No, Sissy, can I pour a little more?
No.
But I didn't pour.
Well, it's because that's really hard to do.
No, look. Sissy, look.
Okay, you're doing it. Good, you poured it.
I didn't look. Sissy, look.
Alright, so we have our
didn't.
pink glitter out. Sissy's gonna have this.
Pour a little thing. Pretty. Can I stir it?
Okay,
Can I stir
there,
it?
we have
Can I stir?
can you get a container?
What? The container.
Okay,
What
and
one?
then Sissy will get the container.
Where is it?
Where is it? Oh, excuse me, Mara. See, we have orange slime.
Hey, that was mine.
So, guys, I am so sorry. I'm going to end this video for the day. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. See.